Challenge 6. Physical Health Management. Day 4. Change begins with movement. That's right. Every meaningful change begins with movement. Embracing the new means breaking free from inertia. And to overcome inertia, a greater and newer force must act. This is exactly what Newton's first law of motion, the law of inertia, tells us. An object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction, unless acted upon by an external force. A person who repeats the same tasks, stays in the same place, sees the same people, and eats the same food is stuck in inertia. If your today looks exactly like your yesterday, and every one of your 365 days in a year feels indistinguishable from the rest, then it's unlikely that new opportunities will find you. If, like the merchant in The Alchemist, you've chosen a safe and unchanging life, then inertia may feel comfortable. But if what you truly seek is growth and transformation, then you'll need to generate a force that overcomes it. This force won't appear on its own. It requires effort and intention. In fact, Newton's second law of motion teaches us that the acceleration, A, of an object is directly proportional to the force, F, applied and inversely proportional to its mass, M. In simpler terms, applying force causes change, and the amount of change depends on how much resistance there is. So start small. Take a different route to school or work. Try a new food. Sit with better posture. Speak with calm and intention. Talk to someone new. Make the first move. Don't rush. Just begin. Slowly, steadily, persistently. Break the inertia. Small actions that spark growth. Start a new hobby. Take a different route to school or work. Change up your exercise routine. Strike up conversations with new people. Try a different type of food each day. Read a new book. Take an online course or attend a lecture. Join a volunteer group or social cause. What matters most is trying and continuing to try. Make your own list and begin acting on it today. Create habits that overcome inertia. Thank you for listening.